It's wintertime here in Houston, and yeah, we got all the plants moved in for the 2 weeks of cold. So I figured while the weather's not perfect, it's going to be rainy and everything else, we do something fun. So I just got, it's a pretty spicy Chevy 350 in there. So what I wanted to do is maybe add a little bit of modern technology to it, because I like doing that kind of stuff. So I got me a Killshot system. Yay! So everybody's got their specialty when it comes to doing stuff on cars. Mine just happens to be this. So I'm gonna shoot lots of videos over the next few weeks, show you guys how I mount this inside the cabin and then run all the wires, and let you know all the good stuff about ACES, all the kind of troubling things I've heard, and see if we can either debunk or maybe show some different ways to do things, because they're decent systems. I love their customer service so far. This is my second ACES system, so I'm going to show you guys how to do the wiring. Basically, it's easy. It's a carburetor, essentially, right? It's the same setup. So yeah, we're going to do that over the next probably 2 weeks, because I'm a nights and weekends type of guy. So I'll catalog it all, video it all, and show you the good stuff.